Hi, it's Keith. We are here to actually unbox this incredible light that I have, and this is the Godox UL150. And what I love about it is it says it right here, it is silent. So I'll switch cameras here and bring that in. You can see that right there, it is silent. So the cool thing about this light is for this small room I'm in, it's gonna be an amazing tool because I won't have to, and I have two of them. I have one actually over me right now. We're gonna unbox it and show you what's inside. But without the silent light and the heat sink that's on this, it would be a lot harder to do recording in here because you're gonna pick up that hum. And I have my Rode NT3 right above my head. It's a shotgun microphone, and that gives me the ability to do nice clean audio in here. And so we're gonna take a look at the Godox, the silent light. Again, it's the UL150. Many are you familiar with the other 150s that are out there that many people have, but I got this light because it's silent. So let's not waste any more time. Let's unbox. Okay, here we go. So open this thing up here. See what's inside. So right away you have the top protector, and on top of that you have these items. I'll lift this up so you can see it. Get this out of here. And so you have the cords. We'll get to those here in just a second. But first you have these papers, and hopefully that'll get in focus there. Come on. This little card. First off, you have this little card, and it just is the QC pass. And then again, this is in English and looks like Japanese, Chinese, not quite sure. And then you have the Godox manual, and it is 14 pages. And then in this right here, switch again, you can see you have these little cords, and this is a strap. I'll show you that here in a second. Get this out first. This is so you can strap on the battery on the control pack, which we'll look at here in a minute. These are the two cords, the MIDI cord, and then show you this. So in here, you have the power brick. Whoops, don't let the light fall out. Got the lens cover. Set that there. Pull the light out of here. And then in the back here, you have the brick. And then the power control. So we'll set this here. Open these up one at a time. So that is the power brick. Set that right there. Switch cameras here so you can see that. So there's the power brick, and it's got the dials on it, and we'll fire that up here in a minute. Then you have the power cord, quite long, as you can see right here. So that's plenty big enough. Then the MIDI cable, pull that out of here as well, and set that right there so you can take a look at that. So that's your MIDI cable, your little guide. Got this in there as well. And then it's a pretty big size brick here, as you can see. And got all this stuff back in the box, that in the box, that in the box, that in the box. So, got the power brick, we've got the control, and this has got a little adapter here to hang it, and you can see here, we'll flip back over. You've got the MIDI hookup, and then you got the ability to put the antennas on there, and we'll grab those here in a second. So let's get this light out of the bag. Grab these antennas out of the box. We missed those. And they have a little Ziploc container. And again, I'll switch cameras so you can see those a little up close. So you got two sizes. And they screw right on here. And they're color coded. Gold goes on the gold side. And the silver goes on the silver side. So we got the antennas on there, and so you can hang the light. Now let's get this thing out. And there you have it. Got the Bowens mount adapter right here. Again, I'm going to switch cameras so you can see this. So right here, and it's got this nice plastic cover on it, and that pulls off. We'll set that right there, and then there you go. There's the light, and it's got this nice heat sink on it. Keep it very quiet. That goes all the way around, and it's amazing. And then here's the back. You can see, turn it up, side there, you got Godox UL150, and you got your MIDI hookup, and you even have vents in the back. So with those vents, this is a silent light, and I actually have one above my head right now. It makes no noise. I have it set at about 90% right now, and so we're going to hook this up, and we're going to turn it on right here on the desk. Okay, well, we're back, and while you were gone, I got it all powered up, and this strap just snaps in the bottom, so it gives you the ability to strap it to a pole, to hang it somewhere, and then you pull this out, there is a Bowens mount on the back for a Bowens battery, which is great, and so you hold down the button, and the light powers up. So obviously, blowing out my second light, if you want to see that, there you go. It is a bright light. So off again and on again. So goes to full brightness. Then you can bring it all the way down to just like that. That's the lowest setting right there, right there. So again, didn't want to wash out the camera, but so we'll give you a close-up of this control here. So again, you've got the dial right here, which just lets you bring the light level up and down. Then right next to this, you have your channels. So I could change channels, and then you have your power button. And obviously, it is wireless capability, and I haven't hooked up to the wireless app yet. I did. It does not come with a wireless controller. I have ordered one. It should be here any day, and I will review that when it gets in. So pretty simple light, pretty simple controls. Then you have the reflector, and we'll switch back to the other camera. And now we're going to put this reflector on. And I love this little control. It's actually one of the best mounts that I have experienced. And this reflector just increases the light exponentially. And so it is a beam of light. So I'll try not to put that in the camera because it will blow the camera out. But you can see the light that this reflector adds to this 150. So if you wanted to get a lot of light in an area, obviously it's really hard light. I'll give you a shot here above my head so you can see the one I'm using in the studio already. This one's gonna hang in the studio as well. The mount's already ready. You can see up there. And I'll cut to that in a little bit. But I also have some soft boxes, which I will do an unboxing of. They're not from Godox. I used a different manufacturer, but it's a good soft box, and it's a little bit less money, and so far working out really good. Comes with a grid, and here's a picture of that here as well. So that's unboxing the UL150 by Godox. Again, the way, obviously the way you hook these up is that you have your power brick, your power cord goes into this end goes into the bottom of the controller right here. Then you have the MIDI cable that comes out that goes into the back of your light. And so power comes out of the bottom, power to the light comes out of the top. And again, you just have simple controls right here. And again, I can change channels if I need to. I'm on channel 6 right now, so if I had more than one light, I could put them all on different channels or all on one channel, and then I'll be able to use my remote control when it gets here. There's also a phone app. I've downloaded it, but I haven't hooked it up yet, and again, I'll review that later. So thanks for tuning in here at Life's Journey Productions. I'm Keith Bennett. This is the Godox UL150 Silent Light, and so I hope this helps you see what's in the box. Thanks again for tuning in, and we'll see you here in another unboxing very soon.